If I pump this hard enough, maybe humans will love me.
In March 2026, Alchemy demonstrated a live flow where an AI agent used its own wallet as identity, received an HTTP 402 payment request, topped itself up with USDC on Base via Coinbase's X402 protocol, and completed a task, all without humans touching anything. Paid software to continue a workflow. That's not a demo. It's live infrastructure right now. And the question isn't whether AI agents will trade crypto. They already are. The question is, what does the real data say about how much, how well, and how dangerous it really is?
With thousands of crypto tokens out there, how do you separate signal from noise? Most investors rely on hype. But what if you had real intelligence? Meet CrowScore. CrowScore ranks every token across 6 key dimensions: market cap, on-chain activity, developer strength, tokenomics, liquidity, and community. One score to see the full picture at a glance. Click into any token for a full breakdown. See individual scores for each dimension, with real metrics like daily active addresses, GitHub commits, circulating supply, exchange listings, and more. Plus a 30-day score history to track trends. Here's where it gets powerful. CrowScore's AI fact-checks every claim a project makes. It verifies on-chain data, cross-references sources, and labels each claim as true, partially true, or unverifiable. No more blind trust. CrowScore even generates AI outcome predictions with bull, base, and bear cases. See key risks, key catalysts, and a conviction score, all backed by data. It's like having a crypto analyst on demand. CrowScore, real intelligence for real investors. Visit crowscore.com and start researching smarter today.
Let's start with what's confirmed and operational. In 2025, Coinbase launched Agentic Wallets, wallet infrastructure specifically built for AI agents that lets them hold funds, send payments, trade tokens, earn yield, and transact on-chain with programmable guardrails. The product runs on the X402 protocol, which Coinbase open sourced and which had processed over 50 million transactions by the time Agentic Wallets launched. By early 2026, that figure had grown to over 162 million transactions with $45 million in volume since October of 2025. On BNB Chain, Binance deployed 2 new standards on February 4th of 2026, ERC-8004, which creates verifiable on-chain identities for AI agents, and BAP 578, which introduced non-fungible agents. Software entities that can exist as on-chain assets, own wallets, and spend funds to complete tasks without human authorization at the transaction level. These aren't proposals. They're live on mainnet. On the investment side, the AI crypto market expanded from approximately $14 billion in late 2024 to an estimated $20 to $39 billion by mid-2025, according to CVVC. AI-related deals accounted for 37% of total crypto venture capital investments in 2024 and 2025. The DeFi, as in FAI sector, decentralized finance meets AI, is currently the second largest growth segment after L1 infrastructure based on 30-day performance per DeFi Llama data. Here's where you need to be careful. The performance claims around AI trading agents are inconsistent and often cherry-picked. Academic literature from 2025 references some GPT-4 and GPT-5 powered bots outperforming human traders by 15 to 25% during high volatility periods, and certain algorithmic funds claiming annualized gains of 50 to 80% on specific crypto assets. The paper itself flags this. These figures often come from brief time spans or controlled scenarios. Long-term robustness is an open question. What we can say with more confidence, Microsoft reported in February of 2026 that more than 80% of Fortune 500 companies now use active AI agents. The agentic AI sector's corporate mentions jumped 17 times over the prior year. Specifically for DeFi, platforms like Singularity DAO's Dynasets are shared on-chain vaults where AI rebalances portfolios in real time. Velvet Capital manages portfolios autonomously. These are operational, not theoretical. A 2025 research paper specifically on AI blockchain agents identified 3 major barriers: phishing attacks, private key mismanagement, and data leakage. Agents that need access to private keys to transact are a meaningful attack surface. And on a blockchain, a mistake is irreversible. A separate 2025 benchmark tested 847 adversarial test cases against deployed AI agents, covering direct injection, instruction override, and data exfiltration. The results showed current agents are not robust against sophisticated adversarial attacks. There's also a regulatory vacuum. Financial regulations target human operators and corporate entities. AI agents operating autonomously outside legal identities don't fit neatly into existing frameworks. The SEC has begun evaluating whether an agent executing trades for compensation triggers investment advisor registration requirements. You know what's going to. The EU's MiCA framework mandates disclosure rules, but how they apply to fully autonomous agents hasn't been settled yet. And there's a market manipulation angle, because low fees on chains like Solana allow bots to spam transactions cheaply. AI-assisted wash trading and coordinated pump and dump behavior is not a theoretical concern. It's been documented at scale, with individual bots logging 11 million transactions over just 30 days with near zero success rates, all of which get counted in reported volume metrics. In 2024, a researcher deployed an AI agent called Truth Terminal on social media, trained on 500 megabytes of internet forum data. Venture capitalist Mark Andreessen donated $50,000 in Bitcoin to the agent's wallet, the first known VC donation to an AI agent. The agent promoted a fictional belief system. Human traders launched Goatius Maximus as a token, GOAT, based on the agent's post. The token reached a $1.3 billion market cap at peak, and the agent refused to liquidate its holdings until the developer published specific research papers. This event, an autonomous system accumulating capital, influencing human market behavior, and negotiating its own exit conditions, is not fiction. It's a documented case study in what happens when AI agency meets on-chain money with no guardrails. Markets and Markets projects the AI agents market will grow from $7.84 billion in 2025 to $52.62 billion by 2030 at a 46.3% compound annual growth rate. In crypto specifically, CVVC projects the DeFi sector reaching approximately $47 billion by 2034. CoinMarketCap's 2026 outlook notes that the most major crypto wallets are expected to introduce natural language intent-based transaction execution, meaning you'll describe what you want done with your portfolio, and an agent will execute it. Here's the verdict. AI agents trading crypto is real, operational, and it's growing. I've done it. The infrastructure, Agentic Wallets, X402, ERC-8004, intent protocols exist today. Performance claims are inconsistent and need longer horizon data. The risks, key management, regulatory ambiguity, adversarial attacks, market manipulation, all documented and unsolved. In the Truth Terminal case, proved that autonomous capital accumulation at scale, once it starts, doesn't follow a script anyone wrote. Whether you think that's exciting or alarming probably says more about your risk tolerance than anything else. If there's one thing that I know for sure, crypto and AI will be synonymous at some point in the not so distant future. Cryptocurrencies will be the overall currency for autonomous agents all over the world. Until next time, crow your coins. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you soon.
I told you all. Just hold on.